Welcome to the tutorial on how to download and use the Android app Diagnose Yourself. This app is still in beta stage. There are links that are still under construction, so please bear with us as we continue to update this app. Let's start by going to the Google Play Store and typing in Diagnose Yourself. Here is the Diagnose Yourself logo with the green doctor icon as shown. Click Install, and once installed, you can then use the application. To use the application, click Open. You will then see an illustration of the human anatomy and click on the word that best describes what you feel. For example, if you feel pain, click on the word pain. Afterwards, you will be asked to choose the location of your pain. If you choose abdominal pain, the next page will ask you to choose the type of pain that you are feeling. Click on the name that corresponds with the number. If you click number 1, epigastric pain, the next page will appear with a description of multiple types of epigastric pain. If your pain is located in the epigastric region, but it sometimes radiates to the sides and below the ribs, if your pain occurs in the middle of the night, after dinner or morning, and is sometimes relieved by food and antacids, click to see the diagnosis. It will show you the possible diagnosis, which is peptic ulcer. The page will also show the description, diagnostics, medical and possible surgical treatment options if indicated. It is important to take note that this is not a free app, because your contribution will fund the future updates of this app to help us help you. Thank you.